Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 2.9% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair dropped 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair dropped 0.7% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Aussie fell 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Toshiba was delisted on Wednesday after 74 years on the Tokyo Exchange, following a decade of upheaval and scandal that brought down one of Japan's biggest brands and ushered in a buyout and an uncertain future. British inflation plunged in November to its lowest rate in over 2 years, prompting investors to pile further into bets that the Bank of England will cut interest rates in the first half of next year. EigenLayer, a protocol for restaking and cross-chain security on Ethereum, has witnessed a remarkable surge in user deposits, surpassing the $900 million mark. This represents a nearly four-fold increase in just a few days.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The Dutch unemployment rate will be released at 05:30 GMT. The Irish consumer confidence at 00 hours and 1 minute GMT. The US Gross Domestic Product Price Index at 13:30 GMT. Japan's National Consumer Price Index will be released at 23:30 GMT. Japan's BOJ Monetary Policy Meeting Minutes at 23:50 GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.